Ya, Presiden IPFT. Sini Madam no koinai atau kanya ni bagai. Ya है GS Thapai Ahlat और Baitang Presiden Sudana de Burma ini sarna koinai atau kanya ni bagai. Ba General Secretary Tatang, ek korupsi representative lagi, ayam gabli ini, ek aisyah kok guy, ini presiden, honor.
IPFT long live, IPFT long live, TRIPURA land China, nice, TRIPURA land China ni bagai IPFT ni coba kotor celi, nice, TRIPURA land China bagai IPFT ni coba kotor celi, nice, IPFT ayu, lokter, IPFT ayu, lokter, IPFT ni coba kotor lebih singkat TRIPURA land China, nice, IPFT ni coba kotor lebih singkat ketar hati TRIPURA land China, nice, TRIPURA sarap tangan ni bagi ketar hati TRIPURA land China, nice, IPFT long live, IPFT long live, IPFT long live, IPFT, TRIPURA land, hambai.
Baram ganang tanan je TRIPURA MLA kam AGS mana bokoinai hai kam tangkai. Baram ganang Prem Kumar yang MLA yang AGS sini tharno koboknai yang bersang kaina ni bagai. Baram ganang Prashant Burma AGS sini Vice President Bir Bahadur Jamatia tu sampai kah? Sampai kena? Yang ya kharabai welcome kainai. Abang yang gula sini Vice President baram ganang KK Jamatia sini tharno terus yang sini daisho atau lainnya di batas kang lainnya sini yaitu yang sini Honorable President.
Kita lagi tahu, jadi bisi jora dua jam ni punya bukan ni Panda macam.
Program singkat.
Is it mobile Simon? Or mobile?
As you all know, every 6 months we are having the MCC conference. This is our role of the party, and 2 days MCC conference is going to help just now, 12 and 13 February 2022, and this is a very important conference. In this conference, we try to get the report from all division level, as we have only 34 division all over the state, and representing all the MCC member. We have about 300 MCC member in our party, so all are coming. 90% are attendant today, and hopefully we'll get the detailed report from our party position, our party activities. We're going to get report from division level, and tomorrow we have again second session, and most probably we have a reshuffle agenda that our CC member will reshuffle. As we know, many of our leaders, some of them have left to our party, as you all know. So to fill up this gap, we're going to have a reshuffle, and very shortly we're going to have a state conference, which is due. Already 3 years have expired. So after 3 years, we're going to have this thing state conference. So very shortly, within 1 or 2 months, we're going to have a state conference. So it is very important today. We'll have a detailed discussion and we'll get detailed report from our grassroots level, our party position, our party strength. We're going to get report, and with this report, we'll decide our course of action. Thank you.